welcome back. Our next pattern is going to be a nice big twinkle. Yes, we're going to have a twinkle step on this one, and we're going to take it from 3 to 4 different angles, okay? So let's start off with this angle first, and it's going to go right into a nice smooth outside partner. It's going to be very cool. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Let's turn that around. Let's go the opposite way. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. So you notice I'm actually rotating slightly to right and back to left, gentlemen, okay? Let's put my back to you. I'm going to slide over this way just a tad bit. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Now, we're going to start from this corner. Put the ladies back to you. Ladies, watch for the footwork and movement, positioning, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. So you notice she goes to my right side because I just rotate open and I bring her right back. All in 6 counts. Cool? All right, go back and practice this and be back for the next pattern.